Renting out your Bradenton home isn't as easy as you might expect. If you've been managing on your own and things have gone well, that's great. But what if you could be earning more money on that property? What if you could be having a better rental experience? Professional property management makes a difference. Here's how. Better leasing and better tenants. Every good rental experience starts with the right tenants. To find those tenants, you have to focus on proper pricing, helping your home stand out from all the others on the market, and a rigorous screening process. That screening process should provide the peace of mind you need to know you have renters in place who will pay on time, take care of the property, and follow the lease terms. Property managers do this every day with great success, and we already have those systems in place. Protecting your Bradenton rental home. Do you ever worry about late rent? What if it goes completely unpaid? Do you know how to handle a security deposit? What if there's an emergency? Property managers protect your home by conducting routine inspections, responding to maintenance issues, and enforcing your lease agreement. Vacation rentals require special attention. Your Bradenton vacation home has new people coming and going all the time. Property managers can ensure bookings are organized, the property is ready, and the guests are satisfied. You can expect a better and more profitable vacation home experience. It's not always easy to rent out a home, unless you're working with professional Bradenton property managers. Contact us at Anchor Down Property Management and we'll tell you more.